Introducing the next generation of valve technology, engineered with precision and powered by sustainability. BROEN BALLOMAX DN 40 to 150, designed to last. At BROEN, innovation meets responsibility. The BROEN BALLOMAX valves set a benchmark in eco-friendly design, with an impressive 50% reduction in carbon footprint. We're reshaping industry standards. We've cut material consumption by 40%, reduced weight by 30%, and minimized waste by 60%. The result? A greener, leaner valve with no compromise on performance. But sustainability goes beyond materials. BROEN is leading the charge with world-first waterless testing and cleaning methods. Our commitment: minimal waste, resource-efficient production. Our valves are proudly made in Denmark, in a new cutting-edge DGNB Gold certified facility where solar panels provide renewable energy, reflecting our ongoing commitment to sustainable manufacturing practices. BROEN BALLOMAX DN 40 to 150, next generation valve technology. Engineered to support a green transformation.